Welcome to Specto Technology. In this video, we'll show you how to set up and mount an optical survey prism using an extended L-bar mount. To complete this process, you'll need the included L-bar, 25mm weatherproof prism, an 8mm hex screw, mounting screws, and washers. Be sure to use appropriate hardware depending on the mounting surface. You will also need an 8mm Allen key and a wrench. Let's begin by separating the prism from the L-bar mount. Use an 8mm Allen key to loosen the screw. Fully unscrew and separate the prism from the L-bar. Next, let's mount the L-bar to your desired location. Start by placing a washer onto a screw. Insert the screw through the lower hole of the L-bar and then align it with the mounting hole. Hand tighten the screw to loosely secure it. Once loosely assembled, adjust the L-bar to an angle that allows the prism to face the total station. When properly aligned, use a wrench to fully tighten the L-bar in place. Now, let's attach the prism. Insert the screw through the top of the L-bar, then thread it into the prism. Hand tighten first, then adjust the prism so it is properly aligned with the total station. Once aligned, fully tighten the screw with an Allen key to secure the prism. Be sure all mounting points are firmly tightened to ensure stability. You're all set. You have successfully mounted an optical survey prism using an extended L-bar mount. Happy monitoring.
This video is brought to you by Specto Technology, a world of solutions.